Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Kickstarter unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below where you can get one of these now. Pre-orders are live on Kickstarter. Definitely help these guys out. This is really cool. I'm going to show you guys. Since a lot of us don't know what to do, we can go old school and do some fishing. So this company right here, Halasz, came out with this great idea, the fishing grip, digital fishing grip measurement, GSK. This is so cool, guys. I already unboxed it. I just wanted to set it up myself and mess around with it for a little bit. There's an app, iOS or Google Play, so iPhone or Androids, all you guys. On and off switch, Bluetooth switch, LCD screen. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's like a measurement type status. But look at that grip. This is so cool. Digital fishing grip measurement. Like I said, there's an app for it. Halasz. Here's the app. You just gotta look Halasz app on your iPhone, iOS. I already got it connected. You're gonna need your set up an account, email, password. Pretty simple stuff. Really cool app. Great for your buddies to go fishing trips and everything else. You can meet new people, show off what you caught. See, like today, people are posting their big catches. Look at that little guy. Yeah, look at that big fish. See? Then you can take a selfie, I guess. Like that. And you can show your catch. You can do it sideways. It shows how many pounds. And that's where you take this measuring. See? 53. Now we could... So we got already hooked up to the Bluetooth. Maybe if I could do a reset. There we go. See, now it resetted it. And now, let's see what I can put on this thing. You guys will just clamp it. There we go. So that is sweet. So we got the holiday rush coming up. If you don't know what to give to your husband, your boyfriend, your partner, this would be a great one. Especially now, since a lot of people I know personally that are fishing because of the whatever's going on. And this thing right here, we got the Halasz. I think I said it right. Smart fish measurement, easily measure large fish with Halasz. Lunker. I didn't realize how many different fish species there are until I saw that app. Because when you set it up, they're going to show you. Whoa. Got the little weight right there. So I'm hang and bang. Here's a QR code. Fishy. Alright, this is, like I said, the smart era is here. Definitely a new one for the fishermen out there. I used to fish when I was younger. Just not me. Now I'm older. I don't do the outdoor stuff too much. So, but maybe one day. But definitely, guys, if you know somebody and don't know what to get them for this holiday season, they are live on Kickstarter right now. All you gotta do is choose your backings you want to do. We could do settings. Also, you could log your catch. There it is. No data. See? You can show your fishy right there. And then you put it in the square, tag in the square. Put Hazel. So that is really cool. Like I said, you could come up with a clan meeting with your clan and meet up with them. So like I said, really cool. Fishies everywhere. Tournament. Oh wow, there's online tournaments. Grip. Wow. So there you go, guys. Like, this is really cool. Use level meter. Got that. Follow notifications. Clan notification. I think that's about it to show you guys, really. Photos. You snap your photos, and this will be your photos. You could delete them right there. Notification list right here. Any of your friends join in. Yeah, wow, look at that. And it shows what kind of fish it was, time and date, temperature, overcast clouds. So this is really cool, guys. And then you could comment to the person, to the user, say, hey, good catch, or stuff like that. So I like that. That's really cool for the fishing community, since I'm pretty sure it's really strong now with everything going on. See, clan, you could call yourself the Foot Clan. That's the only clan I know, the Foot Clan from Turtles. So right there, version updates, everything works. I mean, fishy. So you just gotta. How do I? That's probably just lunker clip. Yeah, right there. So this one. Okay, yeah, I pretty much shown it. But this is really cool stuff, guys. Got the measuring stick. Everything's good to go. So definitely check them out. Looks kind of like a Star Wars type gun. Pew pew. But look at that. That's really cool. So you can measure your own fish. Nicely made too. Alright guys, be safe, have a good night, and see you guys pretty soon.